It's the boys' first competition. So it's April 5th, and it's 7:13, almost 7:15 in the morning. We got everybody up at 6, got them ready. Hit the door a little after 6:45. So it's rainy.
Very rainy. Very foggy, or whatever you want to call this. You can hardly see anything. It's just a yucky day. But there's thunder, which is cool. Thunder and lightning, which is cool out here. All right. Okay, go ask where you get weighed in at. Go ask.